Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Mukta Cold Water Kayaking Drysuit. This dry suit is made of a 3-layer waterproof fabric with a unique coating that is both waterproof and breathable. Waterproof to a depth of 20,000 millimeters. 7,000/m2/24 hours breathability. A dry suit weighs between 1.2 and 1.8 kilograms. Latex neck and sleeves are soft, comfy, and water resistant. The neck, cuffs, and ankles include an extra protective layer of neoprene to make it sturdy and durable. Kayaking, diving, snorkeling, fishing, sailing, surfing, rafting, boating, swimming, water activities, numerous wading activities, and other water activities are all possible. The rubber seals around the neck and sleeves are both soft and waterproof. To make it sturdy and durable, the neck and cuffs include an extra protective layer made of neoprene. Neoprene is used to make socks. Number 2 in this best kayak dry suit list is Kayak Men's Hydra Swift Dry Suit. If you're looking for a great dry suit for more active kayaking, like whitewater, the Emperor Dry Suit from Level 6 is a good choice. Ideal for entry-level paddlers or occasional boaters who don't want to pay more for a dry suit than what they spend on their kayak, the Kayak Men's Hydra 3.0 Swift Entry Dry Suit keeps you comfortably dry through heavy rain and constant sea spray without decimating your bank account. Its 3-layer Hydra 3.0 fabric withstands heavy bombardments of rain and wind, while offering breathability so you don't get soaked with sweat from the inside while paddling. And any sweat you do work up will be swiftly carried away by the moisture-wicking liner. The DWR-treated fabric is tough to withstand abrasion, and it's reinforced at the seat and knees to ensure it will last for years to come. Our third choice is Mukta 3-layer Nylon Diving Dry Suit. The Mukta 3-layer Nylon Kayak Dry Suit is a lightweight, comfortable, and waterproof dry suit. It's a semi-dry suit that kayakers love because of its improved comfort and breathability. It also has a lot of movement and is a wonderful choice for a relaxing excursion in moderate weather. The Gould Juniper Kayak Dry Suit is comprised of breathable and waterproof GCX4 Evo 4-layer fabric that allows moisture to escape while keeping you dry. It is waterproof, breathable, comfortable, and performs well thanks to the adoption of modern technology with 3 layers of waterproof fabrics and specific coatings. The rubber seals around the neck and sleeves are both soft and waterproof. The neck, cuffs, and ankles include an extra protective layer of neoprene to make it sturdy and durable. Fourth pick in this best kayak dry suit list is King Q-Proof Kayak Surf Dry Suit. The King Q-Proof Kayak is one of the best kayak dry suits on the market, designed to provide maximum warmth and movement while paddling in the winter. We are fully committed to high-quality product, professional service, and 100% customer satisfaction. King Q Waterproof Sport adopts the best waterproof sealing mechanism with coat placement, user-friendly turn locking function to seal the dry suit. Thank you for taking the time to view our website. We hope to do business with you in the future. Latex neck and wrist seals, waterproof zip, huge waterproof chest pocket, neoprene waistband, P-zip, 2 mesh thigh pockets, and neoprene socks are all elements of the King Q-Proof Dry Suit. Water cannot enter via the neck or gasket because of the latex gasket neck seal and wrist seal. Ideal for whitewater sea kayaking, touring kayak fishing, and whitewater sea kayaking, sailing or general paddling in the cold. This dry suit is ideal for kayaking in sub-zero temperatures and is popular among kayakers because of its flexible design, which allows for maximum mobility when kayaking. Our fifth and last choice is Crusader Atacama Sport Dinghy Dry Suit. The Crusader Atacama Sport Dinghy Dry Suit is a wonderful choice for kayaking in bad weather because it provides total protection from the cold. The Crusader Atacama Sport Dinghy Kayak Dry Suit has pre-marked collar and cuffs, as well as inbuilt adjustable braces. It's an excellent choice for sailing in bad weather because the new 4-layer design provides excellent water resistance. It has an elasticated waist, adjustable internal braces, and articulated arms and legs for a bespoke fit and lightweight breathability. Crewsaver is a renowned designer and manufacturer of life jackets and sailing equipment around the world.